What I said is this. So since we were in the Windows desktop, this one, so it is possible, Pute, it is possible to download. You can go to this website, iconfinder.com, right? You can go to iconfinder.com website. And you can download any icon that you like. So let's search Excel and assume you need this icon. Excel file එකක් වගේ icon එකක් නම් ඔයාට ඕන. Something like this. There are many, right? Okay, let's use something like this. Okay, there are many. Out of this, I'm going to download. So you can find the exact similar one, but let me download this. For this, then you can go to, from here you can select what type of icon you need. You can just go to ICO file. This seems commercial, right? So you can just go to the free one. This is free. You can download. And now you can see it's downloaded. Right. Okay, after downloading, what you can do is you can.
Can I do it with you?
Yes, you can do this. No issue. You can just go to the iconfinder.com and just download the icon like this, right? So once you downloaded the icon, so you can just click on this, right click, properties, and you can go to the customize, change icon. Then you can browse this icon and you can go to the downloads where you have saved this icon. Here, this is the icon, ICO file. You'll get ICO file, right? When you download, get the ICO file, icon file, ICO. Just double click, okay, apply, and now you can see that icon there. This is folder, but this shows as sheet one, right? Or you can just go to properties and you can go to customize, and there's another icon that I have downloaded. You can set as that. Therefore, for your level, now this is sheet one. For your level, this is okay. But can you really say that? Can you really say that these are folders and these are files? Is it for real? ඇත්තටම මෙහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Yes? Hello? Sorry. No, hurry. Now you can see, no? Can you exactly tell whether these are files and these are folders by just looking at this? එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can tell? But here you can see, I have changed the icon, no? Here I have changed the icon of a folder. Now it looks like a file, no? How can you tell? I can create a folder like this. Okay, I can create a folder like this. Let's say hello. Then I can go to this website and download any icon. Let's say Word icon.
By going to the properties?
Yes, then you can tell. But just by looking the outer appearance, can you tell?
Sir, by going to the... No. No.
No, you can't tell.
No.
By, yes, by, because you can change it. For folder, you can change the icon like this. Folders icon can be changed. Here, this is what they have done here. You can see butterfly icon. Here, dot icon. You can give any icon. You can give, go to properties. You can change the icons to anything. So let's change this to something like this. Let's change this to T. Or let's change this to something like this. Let's change this to picture. Okay, now you think this is as a picture, but this is not a picture, no? This is a folder. Did you understand that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. So this can be changed. In a folder, you can change any icon. So it looks like a file. So here, the exact answer is you cannot find the files and folders, but still you are in grade 7. So you have to, so you are in grade 7, no? So therefore you have to write file is agenda. And classroom is another file. And sheet is another file.
Sir, it is not clear.
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
Yes, sir. It's like
Yes, sir.
Is it? Right, wait. Wait till I have, let me change the connection. Okay, now I think you understood that the problem is, so for folder, you can change the icon. Therefore, you can't trust this always, but for your level, you have to write like agenda, classroom sheet, other files. And for folders, school images, and scan documents, and office budget, and science day video are files, folders. But you know that this is not always true, because files cannot be recognized just by looking at the icon. So, but what you can do is you can just view the extensions. You can just tick this, then you can see no extensions visible. So you can just right click and properties, go to the properties, and then you can see this is a folder. Right click, go to properties. Now you can see it's a folder, right? Therefore, you cannot always tell this by looking at the icon. But if you know there are extensions, so surely it's a file. If there's extension, surely it is a file. If there are extensions, surely those are files. Right, somebody was asking how to zip the file and password protect that. So to do that, you have to download a software. You can download this one. 7-zip. After downloading that, you can select, right click, 7-zip, then add to archive. So select the files. Oh, don't draw in my screen, Hasarelli. Select the file, right click, 7-zip, add to archive. There you can mention a password. Here, there you can mention a password. And that is how you apply. And you can encrypt the file names too, right? That is how you apply a password to a file. Then this one is created. You can see it has a password. When you want to open that again, so it will ask for the password. Without password, you can't open. Then you have to type 1, 2, 3 as the password. Then you can see it's opened. I think you understood that, right?
Excuse me, sir. ඒක අය කරලා පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Pull up. Select the files.
How to set password?
Right click. 7-zip. Add to archive. You have to install 7-zip software, right? You have to install 7-zip software. Then add to archive. Then you can give a password here, right? You can give a password here and here. That's how you add passwords. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, come. Right, okay. With that, I'm going to finish for today, guys. So you have only one activity left. That is this last one. You can do that as a homework. And with that, the particular lesson is over. Next day, we have to
Excuse
start.
me, sir.
Yes. Next day, you have to start the new lesson.
7-zip app එකට යන link එක එවන්න පුළුවන්ද, sir?
You can just search it in Google. Google එක search කරන්න පුතේ. 7-zip කියන්නේ free software එකක්. No need to worry. You can just download without any hassle. And it's just free software. You can just search in Google 7-zip. Okay. Then let's discuss the remaining part next day. Right. Good night. See you all in the next day.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.